There is no way that you, as a first time home buyer, can receive a 3.25% interest rate in this housing market. Or can you? Let's go. And if you have not done so, please hit that subscribe button. Please click that bell. So what? So it can notify you when we drop our latest video. Yes, we are just dropping some first-time home buyer content, home seller content, some investments content as well for you, and also the Phoenix housing market. You gotta know what's going on in your market if you're gonna buy a house, especially in Phoenix, Arizona. So with that being said, can you as a first-time home buyer receive a 3.25 interest rate? Well, I'm going to show you that yes, you can by using a mortgage broker, not a bank, not a mortgage loan officer, but a mortgage broker. So that is right, my friends. Yes, as a first-time home buyer, you can receive an interest rate at 3.25%. And of course, you have to have some really good credit for this kind of rate. But our mortgage broker was able to get our first-time home buyer their home loan, their house, a 3.25 interest rate. And being a broker, it might be a good option for you guys to shop a mortgage broker to get you that rate. But I'm going to show you the closing disclosure statements on the recent purchase of my buyer and show you exactly in black and white what kind of rate they did receive. So let me share my screen with you so you don't see the talking head. You're going to see me talk and speak, but you're actually going to see for yourself on the interest rate that they just received. Well, okay, my friends, here we are with the screen share, and you can see here is I have some things highlighted here. I'm actually going to erase everything here and go right back to it again as I did a live video for our actually real estate community. So here is the closing disclosure statement. Okay, let me get my highlighter here, and there it is right there. You will see that the closing date, the disbursement date and closing date is October 25th of 2019. Okay, these black boxes is I have to black out who the buyer's information is just for privacy reasons. So right here would be the buyer, this would be the seller, okay, and then this would be the lender. There is the property address if you guys want to be nosy. Go ahead and put that in Google. You will see what we're talking about. But look at the sales price. The sales price is $339,000. Okay, this is a millennial using a mortgage broker buying a house at $339,000. He's a smart individual, very, very smart individual. So as you can see here, look at this rate, 3.25%. Okay. If you think that you can't receive a 3.25% interest rate, you are dead wrong, my friends. Okay, difference is he's using a mortgage broker, okay, which is a middleman, a middle person who can talk to a lot of banks, okay, not just a mortgage loan officer who is specific to a certain amount of loans and certain requirements as a bank. He's not using a Wells Fargo, Bank of America, okay, credit union. He is using a mortgage broker to get the best rate. This is what I suggest to all my first-time home buyers. Okay, you have to shop around the rates on the same day, giving away the same information. But look at that rate, 3.25%. It's an amazing rate, right, for a first-time home buyer using a mortgage broker. Now, check out the payment. $1,392.68. $1,392.68. That is principal and interest at a 3.25% rate. Okay, if we go down here, let me re-highlight this because I had done a video before. Okay, so as you can see here is the payment is $1,392.68. Okay, you have mortgage insurance at $207.75. This is your estimated escrow. Okay, $288.41. Okay, this is your taxes. Okay, so estimated total monthly payment 1888.84. Okay, now remember, this is for a $339,000 purchase. That's an amazing rate. If you think about it in the long term, over say 5, 10, 15, or 20 years, however long he's going to keep this property, okay, the most important thing that you want to look at is your rate, because over the long term, you're going to pay more money back to the bank if your rate was, say, what he was getting quoted from a mortgage loan officer was 4%, 4.25%, and even a 4.5% rate, which are still great rates. But when you get down into the 3.25%, that is amazing. Now, you're probably thinking, well, did he buy down the rates? No, he did not. This was a zero cost, exactly the same what these individuals over here were quoting, and a mortgage broker quoted 3.25%. Okay, if you look at the math in the long term, it just makes more sense is if you're a first-time home buyer to shop around the rate, to do what's best for you, because you're the one who's going to be flipping the bill each month, not your real estate agent and not your mortgage lender. Okay, you got to remember that there's like feelings are involved in certain relationships, but ultimately your agent should be looking out for you as a first-time home buyer. So if you are a first-time home buyer, I suggest you shop the rate and try to go with the mortgage broker. You will save more money in the long run. You will also save more money at closing, and you will get full transparency by using a mortgage broker if they know technology, screen sharing like a Zoom meeting, video conference, etc. But shop around the rate. So our first-time homebuyer did receive a 3.25% interest rate using a mortgage broker, and that's pretty much all I have to show you here, because this is the proof. Okay, it's in black and white, just like this document. So I hope you liked this video. If you have not done so, please hit the subscribe button, click that bell to get notified when we drop the latest video, because we are just bringing value to the community, to you. If you are a first-time home buyer thinking about selling your house and upgrading to a different house, if you're looking to invest in real estate in Arizona and also the Phoenix housing market. Once again, I am Victor Huerta, local real estate agent, and we will see you on the next video.